Okay, here we are, beautiful Vernon, Holmes Creek. Here we are, and you can see there's people going by. And there's this beautiful creek. And say hello to Sheral. Say hello to everyone.
Hey everybody. Nice day for a nice creek ride.
All right, I'm going to give you the camera.
And we're going to turn around.
In just a second. Here's the great white canoe we call the Moby Dick. At night it has a light on it to help to be legal or whatever.
Oh, you got a funny back there.
Yeah. And here's the back of it. If I can ever get over there. It's a big drop off here. There's the motor. There we go. The great white canoe we call the Moby Dick. Now let's get into it. Everyone on YouTube, everyone, Facebook, it's 107.9. And here we are at Holmes Creek. Sheral, say something.
Hey everybody, how's it going? It's a beautiful day on the creek.
Hello YouTube, hello Facebook, and all my friends and family. It's the very best of canoeing without paddling, brought to you by Seagram 7 and by Stripes.
He's under the tree bushes. And here comes a boat. Oh, watch the log. Watch the log. You're going to hit it. You're going to hit it. You're going to hit it. You.
Holmes Creek,